towards a better world. The nature and character of society is determined by the sum total of actions of all the individuals who live in the society. So if we want to change things for the better in this world, we will first have to change ourselves so that we can distinguish right from wrong. When individual goals of its citizens harmonize with the overall goals of the society or country, then they will carve out a righteous path for themselves, and the society or country will not be subject to the ills that beset the modern world.